In this video I'm going to show you how to install and use the entware package manager on the reMarkable. So first of all, let's go to the reMarkable Git repo, then go to Awesome reMarkable and scroll down to Device Tools, and there you will find reMarkable entware right there. So we need to clone this repo. So git clone and then just paste it, cd into there. You can see there's a script entware install.sh, and we will copy that to the reMarkable. So let's just scp that over, entware install to root at, in my case I'm connected by USB, so it's 10.11.99.1, and we will copy that to home root. So once that is copied over, we can now SSH into the reMarkable, make sure it's actually there, and make sure it is executable, which it is, and then we just execute this install script on the reMarkable. Before we do that, make sure that your reMarkable is connected to the internet, meaning that Wi-Fi is enabled and connected, because right now the reMarkable will pull things from the internet. So congratulations, entware has been installed. So we can see there are sbin and bin folders in /opt, and we need to include them into our path variable. If we check out path, you can see they are not there. So let's do that. Let's grab, well, we can do that with vim. Let's edit our bash RC. And let's just export path to be the path variable as it is, plus opt bin and opt sbin. And now we will source that bash RC again, and then we just edit it. Well, and now we should be able to run our package manager, which is called opkg. In order to get a list of packages, you can click here and then just search for a package. Let's install curl, for example. So I'm just searching for curl, and you can see it's there. So we can just say opkg install curl. And there we go, we can now use curl.